Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Salesforce with LinkedIn for recruiting pipelines, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Salesforce with LinkedIn, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Setup menu in the upper right corner of the Salesforce dashboard. In the Quick Find box, type App Manager and select it from the results. Click on the New Connected App button in the top right corner. Fill in the basic information for your app, including the connected app name and email. Enable the Enable OAuth settings checkbox. In the callback URL field, enter the URL where you want LinkedIn to redirect after authentication. Add the required OAuth scopes by selecting the appropriate permissions for your application. Click on Save to create the connected app. Once the app is created, you will see the consumer key and consumer secret generated for your app. Keep this information handy as you will need it for LinkedIn integration. Next, log into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the LinkedIn Developer Portal. Click on Create App to start the integration process. Fill out the application details, including the app name and description. In the Auth section, input the same callback URL you used in Salesforce. Use the consumer key and consumer secret from your Salesforce connected app for authentication. Select the appropriate permissions needed for LinkedIn access and click Submit. After the app is created, copy the client ID and client secret. Under OAuth policies, make any adjustments necessary based on your organizational needs. In Salesforce, go to Manage Connected Apps and locate your newly created app. Click on Edit and configure additional settings as required. Once finished, navigate to the Salesforce Permissions section to add user profiles that can access the app. Now, test the integration by attempting to authenticate via LinkedIn. If successful, you should now be able to access LinkedIn data directly within Salesforce. Monitor the integration to ensure that your recruiting pipeline is functioning as intended. Document any troubleshooting steps you may encounter during the authentication process. Congratulations, you have now authenticated Salesforce with LinkedIn for your recruiting pipelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.